Hi everyone, I'm Kathy and welcome to my channel. You may have seen in some of the previous videos I had to chop a lot of things with my knife, and it's because my little chopper was broken and then my hand mixer was kind of going out too. And what I really wanted to find was something that was a multi-use, because living in a condo, don't have a whole lot of space. So it's almost like Christmas. Look what I got. Yay! It's a Braun MULTIMIX 5 and we're going to unbox it. I was so excited to be able to find this. I actually got it on Amazon and I'll put the link down below. I am not in the affiliate program, but I wanted to share this with you. So it's a Braun MULTIMIX 5. And let's open it up and see. And I just in time too, because I want to make some of those Dalgona coffees. So it has a nice little instruction booklets and a little bag here, probably to put some of the mixing attachments in. Set that aside. Oops. And I guess that's the lid, and this is the chopper part. Take that out there. It's plastic, not glass, so it's going to be lightweight, which is kind of nice. Everything's packed in here, so make sure we get everything out. Don't throw anything away. There we go. That's a nice size. Got a nice grip on the handle. I'll tear this off here. I'm really excited about this, guys, because I needed a new mixer and a new food chopper. So this is pretty cool. It has the on-off switch here, and it has a dial here, which I'll have to read the instructions as to what 1 is and what's 9. And it looks like there's a little area here. It says turbo. I could just see batter flying all over the place on turbo. But we'll check it out eventually. And then you have all the attachments that go on here. And so you have the dough hooks in case I want to make homemade bread or something with dough. And then we have the mixers. And they just pop in on the bottom in these sections here. Oh, it looks like you could buy some attachments, because it has a picture here that kind of shows, I don't know if you can see this, but it looks like an immersion type of attachment. So I'll have to check that out and see if that's something that I can get. But when you look on the back of the box, you'll see everything. It tells you it's a 2-cup chopper, 500 milliliter, has a chopping blade, and then it has the mixer again with the dough hooks and the whisk beaters, and that's it. So here it doesn't take a whole lot of room and a lot of space. I guess this is where you oh, look at that, that's pretty cool. It's got kind of a little lever, and you just push this up and it closes up the 2 holes where the whisk would go into, and then this top just pops in. I better read the instructions before I go try and do stuff. Always do that. Read the instructions so that you don't break something before you know how to use it. And but obviously that goes in there, which then connects, this connects with this section here, which is then the blade. And then that goes into the little container. Has a nice little stand so it doesn't fall over. And when you're working it, you're just holding it like this and put your food in and chop it up. So it's a mini food chopper, and that's really all I need. I don't need one of those big food processors because. So this is it, all nice and compact. It'll be great in my kitchen. I'll be able to chop things and mix things. In a little bit, after I've washed all the pieces and read the instruction booklet, I think it's going to be time to make some pumpkin spice Dalgona coffee.